Everyone, I am hoping that you all are doing fine. So I have heard many times a word from you can say so many CMA students if they are taking too many attempts. So should they quit CMA or they should continue CMA? So in this video, I will discuss about the different category of student. First, if you are in the stage of foundation or you have already taken 2 or 3 attempts, so my suggestion to those students, I never say quitting any course. If you're doing CS or CMA, any course, okay, any professional course. So my suggestion to you, but you have to be practical one, okay. If you are taking 2 or 3 attempts in foundation, so you need to understand that if you are taking 2 or 3 attempts in foundation, it is also possible that you have to face some more problem in inter or final. So you can make your own decision if you want to quit CMA in the initial stage of foundation, or you can start some other journey. But if you are in the stage of inter or final and you have already taken 2 or 3 attempts, so now my suggestion here, you should continue with your CMA course, okay. You need not to think about your plan B, okay. You should continue your CMA if you are inter or final student, or you have taken 2 or 3 attempts, okay. But my reason is that sometimes we have seen that you have completed all the you have scored 40 mark in all the 4 subject or 8 subject, but due to the aggregate you could not clear your inter or final group, okay. So please understand that if you have taken 2 or 3 attempts, continue, do not think about plan B. But if you have taken 4, 5 or 6 attempts, my suggestion to inter or final student, should start a part-time, should start a job, okay. If you are earning 20,000 25,000, so your family will be happy, and you also save in a financial, okay. Based on getting experiences, this salary will increase, and after completing the final examination, you can go with the campus or off campus, and based on your prior experience or based on your professional degree, you can easily get a good amount of package. So please understand that in inter or final stage, if you have taken 2 or 3 attempts, do not think about the plan B. Continue with your study. But if you have already taken 4, 5 or 6 attempts, my suggestion to you, start a job, earn 20 or 25,000. You can easily earn on the basis of inter 15, 20, 25,000. You can easily earn, okay. I am also sharing in my Telegram channel too many opportunities, okay. So you need to apply. So please plan your plan B's. You should start you should start a job, and apart from job, you already know that you have already studied too many. You have already studied your all study material, but due to the non-aggregate getting the marks, or you are lagging 40 marks in any individual subject. So with the job, you can easily manage. If you spend 3 or 4 hours, 2 hours in the morning before office, or 2 hours after coming to the office, coming from the office. So if you spend 4 hours, you can easily crack your examination. So please understand, in a crux, I am concluding the manner. If you are a foundation student, or if you are taking 2 or 3 attempts, my suggestion, do you think about plan B. But if you are in a inter or final, you have taken 2 or 3 attempts, my suggestion to you, continue with the CMA study. Do not think about plan B. But if you have already taken 4, 5 or 6 attempts, my suggestion to you, start a job, 20,000, 25,000, and now you have you can say safe in a financial manner, okay. The you can say now your mind is positive, or you can now in the remaining time before going to office, 2 hours in the morning, or after coming to office, 2 hours if you spend 4 hours, so you can easily crack with the job. You can easily manage your study with the job. 4 hours if you spend, if you are a student of inter or final. So this is, I have heard the word from many CMA students who are in the inter or final or foundation stage. Should we quit a CMA based on they are taking too many attempts? So hope you understand this answer, and still you have any doubt, or have any you can say any you have any doubt or need my guidance, you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you. From my side, that's all about this video. Bye guys.